Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. I thank you for joining us today. I got something I am really excited about. It's a really simple video, an easy video, but it's something that I've wanted to do to Miss Piggy for 17 years now. Mirrors. These are my stock mirrors. Now I've replaced these once. I put Maltese cross mirrors on there. Why? Because at the time I thought they looked cool. They look like crap. So I took them off. They didn't work well. So I've just kept these stock mirrors on. They've worked pretty well for 17 years now, but I'm really ready for something different. So, in searching through YouTube, there's another fellow YouTuber called Ozarks HD Rides, I believe is his channel name. And he has a bike, it's a Sucker Punch Sally. Highly suggest you to check out his channel. That bike is a beautiful bike. And we always talk back and forth. He likes Miss Piggy and I like his Sucker Punch Sally. But the one thing that I did see on his Sucker Punch Sally, he does run one mirror on the left-hand side of the bike. I have two on this one. They're both underneath my grips. He runs one on that side. And the style of the mirror he liked, as soon as I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's the mirror I've been looking for 17 years now. So I quickly went on the internet and found one. That is right here. Now, this one is, I think, pretty close to what he has. His may be a little bit bigger in diameter, the 4.5-inch mirror, but let me open this up and show you what we got. So, right here is the actual mirror. You notice it's not connected to the arm. Let's open up this package. And this does not come with any instructions. This did come from Amazon. It is the Chrome Early Style 3-inch for big twin models. It doesn't say where it's made. I was hoping it was going to have a made in America, but I'm not quite so sure about that. So it does have an arm. This basically, piece is running away. This will slide down in here and then you will lock it. You will lock the mirror onto that arm there. So it's kind of an old school chopper looking look, which is really what I was going for. So we're going to go ahead and see how this gets put together. I have no idea what half these pieces do. That's a spacer there, I assume. And it goes in like that. I have no idea how this goes together. I assume like that with this cap nut, probably. Yeah. Comes with two washers, this angle, this beveled piece, and a lock washer, and a nut, and a spacer. So I'm going to put the spacer on first. I'm going to put this washer on. We're going to put it in like that. And then on the top, we're going to put that washer on. We're going to put the lock washer on. And then we're going to put the cap on. We'll have this come down maybe out like that. And then we'll put this on here. And then we use an Allen wrench. There is a little set screw in there. We'll use the Allen wrench to tighten that down to about where we want it for right now. That's it, $19.95 from Amazon. Yeah, it is the 3-inch rounded mirror. You can get those, I think, also in 4 and 4.5, and actually the reflectivity is pretty good. Some of the cheap Chinese ones you buy, it's really crappy mirror and it's really pretty distorted when you look through it. This one actually, I don't know if you can see that, it's actually not bad. Actually pretty good. So let's go ahead and adjust the camera view and go ahead and get it mounted on the bike. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is take this mirror off. We're gonna use a 1/2-inch wrench and take this one off. And do the same thing to the other side. All you gotta do is pull this cap nut off. That mirror will slide right out. So we're gonna run it without the sleeve. We're gonna just put a washer on with no sleeve. Stick it up through, put that washer on, put the lock nut on. I feel that's gonna be too tall. Oh, maybe not. No, that works pretty well. So sitting on the bike, kind of would like this to be turned more like that. Allen wrench in, loosen this up, spin this around. All right, that's tightened up. Let's go ahead and, there we go. It's dirty now. My paw prints all over it. There it is with the new mirror on. Versus the old stock mirror. So there's how the reflection is on that mirror. You know, good quality glass. Here it is on this mirror. Still good quality glass. I like that. That looks all right. So there you go, Yogi Clan. There's one of the easiest things you can do to your bike as a do-it-yourselfer is changing out the mirrors. It took me literally 3 minutes with a 1/2-inch wrench. Just take off the two caps on your existing mirrors, take those off, put the new mirror in, set it to where you like it, and you get a free Allen wrench as a result. Though that mirror there, $19.95 off of Amazon. I will put a link in the comments below. And don't forget, also in the comments below is some Yogi merch. I'm hoping to get some new designs coming out soon. And I appreciate your support because it goes to help me buy things like this and show you how to put on new stuff on your bike. So thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching. I hope you all are safe during this time. And we're going to get to some more projects. Up next, I'm going to show you how to take a tire off of your rim if you want to change your own tires. And we're going to do a review on a competitor to the F11. What's that stuff called? The F11 ceramic coating. It's kind of like the F11 polish, I guess you call it. F11 wax. I don't know what the heck you call this stuff. Anyways, I got its competitor. You'll see that next. So thank you for your support. God bless you, Yogi Clan. I'll see you soon. Peace.